You are looking at a car that costs $28 million and comes with a feature that is technically illegal in 12 countries. This is not just a vehicle, it is a time machine that takes you straight to the year 3000. Meet the Mercedes-Benz Vision Amethyst. It sits on the floor like a sleeping panther, glowing in this deep electric purple that you cannot find on any color chart. Rumor has it that Mercedes had to invent a new laser painting process just to get this specific shade of violet to shine in the dark. Look at the front. You see that massive grille with the shining star? It is not just for show. It doesn't have a radiator behind it because there is no engine that needs cooling. Instead, that grille is made of thousands of tiny sensors. It reads the road, the weather, and even the movement of pedestrians a mile away. It is constantly talking to the city infrastructure. If a traffic light is about to turn red, this car knows it 10 seconds before it happens and adjusts your speed so you never have to hit the brakes. It creates a perfect, smooth flow that feels like you are gliding on ice. And speaking of gliding, look at those wheels. They are huge. They look like turbines from a sci-fi movie. But here's the crazy part. They are not touching the axle. They're held in place by magnetic fields. That implies there is zero friction. The tires are not rubber. They are a smart composite material that can change its texture. If it rains, the tires grow spikes for grip. If it is dry and you want to go fast, they become perfectly smooth. The blue light you see on the rim is actually the battery level. As you drive, the friction from the air charges the car back up. Before we check out the engine and the insane features inside the cabin, make sure you subscribe to AutoVise so you never miss the future of driving. We bring you the wildest cars every single week, and you do not want to be the last one to know about them. Now, let's open the doors. Actually, there are no doors. The entire side of the car dissolves. The glass and the metal panels just retract into the floor, leaving the cabin wide open. Inside, there is no dashboard. There are no buttons. There is not even a screen. The entire windshield is a holographic display. When you sit down, the car scans your body and adjusts the seat shape to fit your spine perfectly. It feels like you are floating in a cloud. To start the car, you don't push a button. You place your hand on a crystal pad in the center console. The car reads your DNA to make sure it is really you. Once it knows you're the owner, the purple lights turn red and the engine wakes up. But what is the engine? It is a hydrogen plasma drive. It sits in the rear and produces 3,000 horsepower. That is the power of 3 Bugattis put together. Because this car is so fast, Mercedes had to install a special G-force suit into the driver's seat. When you floor it, the seat hugs you tight to keep blood flowing to your head so you don't pass out. It goes from 0 to 60 in under 1 second. One blink and you are gone. The top speed is capped at 400 miles per hour because, frankly, no tires on Earth can handle more than that without melting. But the coolest feature is the AI assistant named Violet. Violet doesn't just give directions. She learns who you are. If you had a stressful day at work, the car senses your elevated heart rate. It will automatically dim the lights, play soft music, and release a lavender scent to calm you down. It will even suggest a longer scenic route home so you have time to relax. If you're in a hurry, the car communicates with other cars on the road and asks them to move out of your way. It literally parts traffic like the Red Sea. This machine is a masterpiece of engineering. It combines luxury, speed, and intelligence in a way we have never seen before. Owning one of these is a statement that you have arrived, not just at a destination, but at the very peak of human achievement. It is wild, it is beautiful, and it is completely